Hello everyone, this is Rita from HiPoint Financial and we will be talking about RRSP again. So as we all know that contribution deadline for 2025 for RRSP is 2nd March 2026 and we still have 4 days left to save some of the taxes. So let's talk about the basics. What is RRSP? Now RRSP is a registered saving plan that lets us save for the retirement. Now, if we talk about the perks of RRSP, of course, this is the plan just for the retirement. We pay less taxes now, but we do not diminish the taxes. We just postpone them. So we can withdraw the money for to buy our first home under home buyers plan, and we can withdraw the maximum of $60,000 from RRSP, of course, tax free. We can also withdraw for back to school. So up to $20,000 we can withdraw tax free from RRSP to go back to school under the lifelong learning plan. And now this is just for us or our spouse. We cannot use it for our children. One tip, if we already are contributing to our RRSP, we can transfer some of the money to first home savings account tax free if we don't exceed our FHSA contribution room. But yes, we have to qualify for that. Now, as we all know again, that RRSP contribution deadline is this year, March 2nd, and we have only 4 days left. If we talk about RRSP contribution room, for that you have to visit CRA and you have to check my account portal for what is the contribution room. But to be generic, to contribute without penalty to RRSP, of course, check the CRA. However, we can contribute up to 18% of our previous year's income and or $32,490. Now, the age limit for RRSP is 71. The year we turn 71, the amount in RRSP is automatically converted into RIF, Registered Retirement Income Fund, or the annuity. And that's how we get little by little money to help our retirement. Now, if you want to have a generic idea how to calculate RRSP, let's talk. Now, if our current age is 40 years, and our anticipated retirement age is, let's say, 65 years, and we can contribute almost 500,000 per month, and we already have $10,000 accumulated in our RRSP, or maybe let's say zero, we have no RRSP so far and we are starting anew. So at the age of 40, we are contributing monthly 500. So by the age 65, that means in 25 years, contribution amount will be $150,000. The return we will be getting is $144,060. So the total accumulated for our retirement will be $294,060. So this is all about RRSP, and there are so many perks, so many options. If you want to talk about RRSP or want to know if your RRSP is maximized, how can you save taxes again? Talk to me. This is Rita from HiPoint Financial.